command we will talk about it is polyline. Go to Home tab, Polyline, to select left click. Now specify your first point, left click, specify your second point, left click, specify your third point, left click. If you want to continue, specify your next point and then left click. If not, press escape to end command. Now some of you might ask, what is the difference between line and polyline? If you select this polyline, it will be selected as one object, and this is the difference between line and polyline. To understand, go to Home tab, Line, to select left click. Now specify your first point, left click, specify your second point, left click. Automatically a new line command will start. Specify your next point, left click. If you want to continue, you can specify your next point and then left click. If not, press escape to end command. If you select these lines, it won't be selected as one object. Each line will act as an individual member. But in case of polyline, it will be selected as one object. So, line is a single straight object with two ends. In the other hand, polyline is a continuous object with multiple straight and arc segments. The shortcut for the command polyline is PL. Type PL, enter or space. Now specify start point, left click, specify next point, left click. Let's say that now you want to draw arc. Go to command line and select arc. Now specify end point of arc, left click. If you want to switch direction, press on Control button and move the cursor. Now specify end point of arc, left click. Now let's say that you want to draw a line. Go to command line and select line. Now specify your next point, left click. Specify your next point, left click. If you want to end command, press escape. Again, type PL, enter or space, specify start point, left click, specify your next point, left click. If you go to command line, you can see that arc, the letter A is highlighted by blue color, and that is mean you can type A and then enter. So you will switch from line to arc. Specify endpoint of arc, left click. Now let's assume that you want to switch to line. So go to command line. As you can see that line, the letter L is highlighted by blue color. So you can type L, enter or space. Now specify your next point. Let's assume that now you want to close this object or this shape. So go to command line. You can select close, or else you can type C because it's highlighted by blue color. Type C, enter or space.